Hello, this is Shoyan, a Japanese carpenter. Today, I'm going to install a window hood above a sweeping out window. It may be hot today. This time, I'll show you an outdoor work. I have to work on scaffoldings today. First of all, draw a marking of reference symbol using a laser machine. The window hood that I'm going to install today is called Hakobi Sashi. Its frame is like a box. It can be made in both Western style and Japanese style. We can choose either style. This material is called Hana Kakushi, that can be seen from the front of the window. And the frame of the window hood is called Nodaruki. It's a triangle portion here. Decide where to fix this Nodaruki. I've drawn the marking with a measurement tape, but I got confused at calculation. So I decided to measure by scale. Window hoods are the portions that stick out from sashes of windows. They are something like small roofs that are called hisashi in Japanese. They work to protect not to expose sashes to wind and rain directly. Window hoods are like peaks of caps. In Japanese, we use the same word of hisashi for peaks. Window hoods work like sunshades as well as peaks. This window hood is L-shaped, so there is an inside corner. Cut out a notch at that corner. This front material has a gap in its section for ornament, so shape the notch at the corner joint portion. Then assemble the frames. It's not possible to assemble the frames on the scaffolding outside, so assemble them in the house. So that all I have to do on the scaffolding is to drive in some screws on the backboard. Assemble them with long 90 to 100mm screws. The front side will appear, so drive in 3 screws from back frames to fix it tightly. In advance, fix substrate materials on the wall. The level of the window hood can be adjusted by the dimmer. Next, install the frames that I assembled earlier. As I told you, drive in screws on the backboard to fix this frame. I'm using longer screws here. I'm drawing marking of the substrate materials. Here, upper screws are more important than lower ones. Fix the frame tightly by 2 screws for each location. Then make the opposite side of the L-shaped frame also. This part is a little shorter than the earlier side. Decide the dimension and assemble them as well. This one can be seen from the side. The component inside is called hahu-ita. This hahu-ita is to be made of decorative material. Fix it tightly with screws from backside. Next, install the frame of the opposite side. This side is shorter than the earlier side. There is an inside corner, so it's necessary to fix it carefully. The bottom side of this window hood is to be finished with 10mm thick decorated boards of plain cedars. These bottom side boards are not at very high place, so they will be outstanding very much. Considering the matching of color as much as possible, use only white portion. Put wood glue and drive in 4mm staplers to fix the boards. Front portion cannot be fixed with staplers, so I can only drive in staplers along the wall. Before the glue gets hard, I have to drive in staplers not to make the boards curved. This window hood is L-shaped, so install wider substrate material at the corner. Cut decorated boards at 45 degrees. And fix the corner boards as well. Align the width of the opposite side boards and fix them. Modify the gap of the surface by the support. Install supports immediately before glue getting hard. Just in case, put glue on the boards from the top side of the roof. This glue makes the board tight, even though there are no substrate materials. Next, fix the decorated boards at the end portion of the roof. This is called karakusa. By this one, the front portion of the window hood gets tight and will not be waving. fills the notch that I made for screws to fix the boards. Lastly, fix roof boards. The work scope of carpenters is until these roof boards. After this step, put felt, waterproof tapes and steel roof sheets by roof bender, then finish. Okay, the window hood installation has been completed. That's all for today. Thank you for watching my video.